Welcome everyone back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a lovely orange tea, because I have some orange skin left over and some lime skin, and I'm going to show you what you can do with it rather than throw it in the bin. If you're watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe, like, share, and turn the notification button on. Stay tuned. So here I have some orange skin. Don't throw them away. You can use these, dry them, make cake. So chop them up, put them in the water. Here are some lime skin. Don't throw them away. There's many things you can use this to do. You can use it to make drink, tea, cake, pudding, you name it. And these things, this is very natural. You see, at times you have some company, they use these orange peel, and they would cut it up and put it in bag, and they would make tea with it. So this will stop you from going to the supermarket and just utilize what you have. I'm going to add some cloves to it. Health benefit from cloves. So in this you have your cloves, lime skin and orange skin. You know, all these citrus is packed with antioxidant, you know, good for cold, cough, if you're having a fever, full of vitamin C, you know, and also the cloves, it have anti-cancer benefit, and it's a natural antibiotic. So try this tea. You have nothing to lose. You have this in the morning, in the evening, even at night. Just have a cup of this. So I'm just gonna let it boil a bit more. As you can see, it's coming on well. What you can do with this, just add a little bit of cinnamon. Trust me on this one, your body is gonna love this. This is all natural. Look at that. Just let it boil extract all those vitamins and mineral. Give it a bit of taste. Yeah, I think this is ready now. Now I'm gonna turn it off. And I'm gonna pour it in this. See how much can hold in it. Then put the lid back on. Now I'm gonna pour some of it in my teacup here. And if you want, you can just add a bit of cinnamon stick in it. Couple bits of the lemon skin, you know, just for color. So this is just a little sprinkle of cinnamon powder also on it. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Let me get a sup. Nice and hot. That is delicious. Please remember to try this at home. It's very healthy. As I said before, you have nothing to lose. And please remember to like, turn on the notification, subscribe, and share. Peace be unto you all.